Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the sheet open, so start by selecting the exact column you want to compare. First, normalize entries. In a helper column, use equals trim, clean A2, and drag down. This removes stray spaces and hidden characters so matches are accurate. Once done, add a second helper column and enter equals countif, $B, B2 to get raw duplicate counts. Make sure to lock the range with $ so counts don't shift when copying. This sets you up for filtering or highlighting next. Now that counts exist, convert numbers into actionable tags. If countif value is greater than 1, mark the row as duplicate using equals if, C21, dupe, unique. Alternatively, generate a deduplicated list with equals unique, filter BBCC1 when you want an overview. For quick visual checks, apply conditional formatting with a custom formula like equals $C21 and pick a color. That makes clusters pop. Once tagged, sort by the tag column to group duplicates. To finish, always duplicate the sheet as a backup, then sort or filter to show only rows labeled DUP and delete them in bulk. Once removed, rerun equals countif on the remaining data to confirm everything shows 1, ensuring no duplicates remain. Make sure to clear helper columns afterward or hide them. If results look wrong, check that your trim/clean step covered all columns and that countif ranges used absolute references. Fixing those usually resolves leftover mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.